back out with the H2 in Sand Hollow. Today we're hitting up double Sammy.
Yeah, yesterday when we were out here, we got a good feel for how the car does in the sand. We spent most of our time in the sand, a little bit like on the whoops and out in the desert, but we didn't do hardly any rock stuff. We did like a little tiny section over there. We're gonna take you along for double Sammy, check that out, and also see how this H2 does on it. We are super stoked. Ride might turn into a night ride here pretty soon. Our sun's going down very quick, but that is okay. It will be a lot of fun. So we are just barely getting started on double Sammy here, but we got a lot to go yet. Flexing. What happened to the term minty? Remember minty? Minty, dude. Yeah, it was mint.
That's mint.
Dude, that first gen dog this morning was mint, Gabe, and I tell you what.
There you go. I'll take your word for it.
Dude, I was drooling over that thing.
I could tell.
This is how you get your steps in. Nick tell you about his little mudding experience today?
I haven't showed her yet.
Not really, actually.
Dude. Yeah, there was a little mud hole. He went through it, and watching him go through it, I was like, I'm gonna get stuck. But he must have cleared the way because I went right through it. Bessie?
Yeah, I think it definitely use some 35s.
These are really, really aired up.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
I should have let some air out before we came out here.
Remember how we didn't want to get this muddy this morning? Yeah, what is happening? All right, this is a good little, yeah, I mean, you're like on the belly almost right there. Yeah, go for it. Oh, you never touched. Never touched. This is a good. I want to see what it does.
I bet I'm gonna touch.
I want to see what it does.
I'm for sure gonna touch.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I mean, you are millimeters, but it didn't touch. It didn't hit. It didn't touch.
It's gonna be a little tricky with the slick tires, that's for sure.
With my stickies? Are you talking about my stickies?
Yeah, I'm talking about your stickies.
Look, see how you just stuck to that?
I do. I think they work better wet than they do dry. Once we get some 35s on this, I'll try it. Is he still a full sway bar too?
Yeah, full sway bar. There you go.
Letting those carnivores eat.
Hey guys, remember, if you're in southern Utah and you want to go out in one of these sick machines and experience what we're showing you right now, hit up stgeorgeuTVrentals.com and book your rental today. Now let's get back to the video. With the sway bars, it seems to be flexing out pretty well. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
This is a little bit of a squeeze, isn't it?
It is. Tuck it in.
So that guy said that the bottom of the chute's wet right now. He only made it like halfway up. Oh, really? That's what he said.
Zillas?
Even on sticky Zillas. So that means my sticky BFGs up there go right up it.
Yeah, they're gonna go up it. I'm telling you what.
A little easy feeling there. Yeah. I know, I was like, I'm gonna slide right into you, buddy.
Passenger a little bit, and then we're gonna kind of dive into this. There you go. What do you think about this trail so far?
It's pretty gnarly.
It's sweet, Yep. Hard driver, hard driver, hard driver. Hard driver, hard driver, hard driver. Go. There you go. Now you're probably gonna hang a tire once your back end drops. Yep. There you go. Just keep coming straight, you're good. Even technical. I'm really impressed by how much it does not hit bottom with the stock tires. Dude. Oh, nothing like typical, dude.
A little more pepper.
Give her a little more. Yeah, that's how it's done. All right, man.
What is up?
We're at the top of Double Sammy. So this is the chute right here.
Okay.
This is like the most known or iconic, you know, obstacle of this trail. So we'll take you up that, but you are officially at the top of Double Sammy.
Sick, man. I'm super stoked to be up here. I'm really happy with the way this thing's performed so far. I mean,
It did really great.
other than just getting some 35s on here, man, this thing's pretty rock solid.
Yeah, it did really, really good. It
Yeah.
did really good. All right, we are losing our sunlight very fast here. We're moments away from it being completely dark, but we came all this way to do the chute, and we are not gonna give up now. I'm really excited about this. This is probably the most iconic obstacle on Double Sammy, at the top of Double Sammy here. Whenever, I'm sure all you guys have seen any footage from Sand Hollow, usually you will see this obstacle. Wow, we got like a lake going on here. Look at that. Oh, jeez. No, you'll be fine.
See what I said? Go right up it.
Slower, slower. Okay, you're good. Okay, you're good. Yeah. Sorry, I messed you up. I probably should just let you keep going, but back up. Perfect, just like that, just like that. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Woo-hoo-hoo! That was a little western. That was awesome. Dude, that was crazy. It got a little western going up the chute there, but it went up it, so.
Dude, when that thing started spinning and my momentum slowed down, I was like, I'm not letting off this pedal.
I know, that's why I was like, just go, 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 go. I just kept yelling at you. But
Oh,
you
man.
did good. You reacted exactly how you should have. I've never seen anybody like spin as much as you did going up that. So
Yeah.
having the water at the bottom really complicated that obstacle.
Also, having 35 pounds of pressure in these tires made things a little
Yes.
iffy,
So literally all things against you today, but you made it up.